Hello friends, this is Michael from Forever Aesthetic. Today we're going to be unboxing some lights to get your videos booming. So let's get right into this. You're going to want to watch this video to the end so I can show you what the lights look like once I open them up, because right now I'm just using a mini LED light from Neewer on top of my iPhone rig, but I'm going to show you what it looks like once we get these big boys opened up. And here we have the Neewer RGB 168 combo light pack. It's a big package. Let me open it up for y'all. We got some big LED lights coming right your way. Okay, it looks like it's already in the package, ready to come out. Whew. Damn, there's some weight to this. Comes in a nice carrying case. I like that because I need these to be portable, so that's very nice. We're gonna open this up and we're gonna pull these lights out here. All right, so here we are. Let me show you guys what's happening here. Once I take these manuals just out to the side, we got them nice and secured right over here. So we got two LED panels like such. The weight on this is not too heavy at all. It's pretty portable, I would say. So we got two of them. I got them in white versus black because, you know, we move fresh like that. These will clip onto the back of the unit so that we can put the stands in. So I'm gonna get right to opening this up and assembling it so that we can see what they look like, and I can show you what the difference is between using a mini light like this on your rig versus something a little bit more studio-like. I'm super excited to try these out. They are RGB. If you want, you could also get batteries. I will unbox those in another video because I do have those as well, or you can plug it into an outlet as such. So we got both of our panels out here and everything is nice and tucked away neatly into the foam. I don't know how neat I'm gonna be at putting it back in, but the thought will be there. So here we go. We got one tripod light stand and I got another one coming out as well. Wow, that is beautiful. Very premium, nice design on that. I really like that. I like the white. The white's a vibe. If you're thinking the white's a vibe, please comment below and let me know what you think about the white colorway. I like it a lot. Get the clamps out here. Next up, we're gonna pull out our power cords. I like how this is laid out. Remember, it's a 2-pack of lights. You can also get them in a 1-pack, but I wanted 2 to try to make a nice setup. I'll link these down below as well if you're interested in checking them out. But let's set them up before you make that decision, right? Taking out the other set. So I'm just laying them in their spots. Then we're gonna set them up for you and test them out. There's the next tripod stand. Put it on this side. And that looks like that's all that's in there. So let's set these babies up. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. If you ever set up a light stand before or a tripod, you shouldn't have any issues. And here we go. All right, so like I said, this will be going on the back of our unit. All right, so we're gonna line up the clamp with the panel here. So you're gonna line it up, then you're gonna press this button and lock it in. So once you press it up, it will be locked in. And if you wanna take it off, similarly, you're just gonna press this and press down. So we wanna lock that in because we're about to build this guy up. And here we have the tripod stand, so we can just loosen this clasp right here. And then this is gonna open up as well. So we'll open it up, press it down. I'll just take a wider base on it and lock it in. Perfect. So we'll lock the base in with the clamp so that it's all nice and steady here. Then we're going to undo the top clamp to bring up the light. So now when it comes to putting the light on top, we're gonna open this up right here. Then we're gonna drop it on top. You wanna really make sure you open this clasp up, otherwise it won't sit nice. So now we got it in. We're just gonna secure it into place. Oh my goodness. And there we go. We have our light stand set up here. Very easy to adjust, as you can see. So I'm gonna plug this in and we're gonna see how the light comes out of this. And then we're going to experiment with doing a setup with 2 lights. I'm actually gonna turn off the light I have on here. Then I'm gonna come back on the screen and we're gonna see how everything looks. All right, so here's our power cable. It's a 2-piece system. You're gonna take one end, plug it into the receiver here, and the other end will go into the light itself. This is so exciting. I've always wanted to get a big light setup, so I'm going to be using one as a key light and the other as a fill light. If you're finding this video helpful, then please subscribe, leave a comment, share the video. All that good stuff, you know, helps us get our videos out to more people and helps us grow the channel. And as I learn more ways to enhance my setup, I like to share with y'all so that you guys can do the same if that's what you're interested in. All right, so plug this bad boy in and let's see what's up. Just so you know, it's a pretty long cable, so you got some room. Woo! Okay, that was my natural reaction to turning it on because the way that it just illuminated the room was literally lit, okay? Wow, so right now it seems like it has a little blue hue on, so we are going to change it to white and show you what's up. So there is a power button on the back, so you could turn the light on with a switch on or off. If you're connected to battery, it looks like you're gonna switch the switch up and it'll use a wireless batteries, or all the way down, you're gonna use the outlet. Okay, so here we got different modes we're gonna play around with. I can show you here, the back panel is now on. Let's lower this guy down a bit. All right, so here we can hit mode and we could change the scene. You can see it's strobe lighting right now. We don't need that at the moment. We're gonna turn it to a nice white light. So I'm hitting mode right now to go through, and now I'm in the setting that I wanna be in. I'm gonna change the color temperature. We're gonna put it to 5500. So on the back, you're gonna hit the selected function, then we can turn the dial to bring it up to what we wanna bring it up to. So 5500 is what I actually have the mini LED light set to right now. That's a nice bright white light. Intensity, we're gonna take that all the way up, 100. Jeez, this is providing a lot of light. I love this panel. It seems like it's very evenly lit. Oh, that's bright. And that is the first key light on setup right now. I have it about 3 to 4 feet away from me at a 45-degree angle coming down. I'm gonna set the secondary light up, the fill light. So let's open everything up here and do the exact same thing we just did. All right. So again, we're gonna take our clamp, place it on the back, press the button to slide it up like such, ready to go there. Next up, we're gonna open up our tripod, undo that clasp, set up the base where we want it, and then lock it in. Just like the other one, we're gonna open this knob up here, and then we're gonna slide it on top. If you ever set a ring light up or something like that, it's a very similar setup. So let's lock that in here. Beautiful. Now what we gotta do is plug this in and put it on the other side here to see what everything looks like. This is exciting. So with this secondary fill light, you can always put a color on it, which we will experiment with a little bit, but I'm gonna do white everything first. All right, come on. All right, perfect. So now to plug this guy in as well and set it up over here on the side. Let's find an outlet. All right, so we have our fill light on now. I matched the color temperature to 5500, and I'm gonna turn the intensity up just to about, let's say 40, and we're keeping it about 6 feet back, so it's further than our fill light. I'm gonna hop back into the scene and we're gonna see how we're looking. So now I have that light set up, my secondary light. I'm gonna turn off the rest of these lights and we're gonna see the true color of our setup. Oh my God, one more light. Welcome to our new studio. We're gonna play with the light color on this one. So now we've changed it up. I've put on a more greenish bluish color on the secondary fill light here, and I'm showing you what the setup looks like. For the 2 lights we have going on right now, please let me know what you think in the comments, if we achieved a more cinematic studio lighting and if the video looks cooler to you. If this unboxing and setup was helpful for you, I would invite you to subscribe, as I will make more videos like this in the future as I learn to play more with the lights and all the accessories that I have in order to make the content better for you. See you in the next video.